What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Car Adventure Reg, and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, as y'all can see by the title and the thumbnail, I'm gonna be driving in manual mode again. I did make this video before, but I had so much fun filming that video and I decided I want to do it again. But this time I didn't have traction control off. Let's turn it off. Let's get to it, man. No more talking, man. Let's get into it, man. Already. And like I said, y'all, in the first videos, that this actually downshifts for you. So I ain't gonna lie, bro, I really love this exhaust. On the 37 VHR motors, I love this exhaust. This sounds so good. Oh, look at that M45, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, those things is always clean, bruh. I always wanted one of those. That's a classic right there. Make you feel like you driving a stick though. How the way it be shifting. A prelude right there. Okay, people got the whips out today. Hold on. Sun's out, whips out. Let's go ahead and shift it one more time. Quick little dig for y'all. Ooh. This thing be ready to go, boy. This thing be on 10. I ain't gonna lie, this thing be on 10. Oh, I wanna get a good dig in. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. We gotta get a good dig in. One thing I really like about this car though is manual mode. I don't know why I didn't think about doing this video a lot earlier, but man, doing this stuff is so fun. Like driving a car in manual mode, it kind of make you feel like you are driving a stick a little bit. Gotta bless it. Man, you would turn out right in front of me, mother freaker. Okay. Ooh. I'm telling you, man, this exhaust is crazy. The vibrant resonator and muffler delete exhaust is crazy, y'all. If y'all haven't got it, go ahead and get it. Definitely be worth your while. Doing this more and more kind of made me want to get a stick. I ain't gonna lie. Definitely want to make me get a stick. Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all. First dig of the day. See what we can get into, man. Okay. All right. That was fun. Oh shit. Oh damn, that was fun. That was fun. Okay. Little action for y'all. And we killed a bug. R.I.P. Y'all see my gas just trickling down, right? So I said it all depends on how the way you drive with these VQs, and it's gonna determine how good a gas mileage you're gonna get. It all depends on that. Oh wow. They done put some speed bumps right here. Y'all ain't slick. I used to tear this street up, boy. I want a manual car because I feel like this will be, well, of course it'll be so much funner because you have a manual, you know, you get clutch in and then shift the gear, and then it'll make it kind of jerk a little bit, and it'll make it feel, you know, real good like a real car. But I ain't gonna lie, sometimes it's cool to have an automatic because I ain't gotta, you feel me, do all this all the time. Like, I'm just trying to picture myself like, dang, bro, I gotta shift. You know what I'm saying? But when an automatic, you just throw it in automatic and it just shift by itself. You do what you do. This one, you gotta like kind of stay by the gearbox and stuff. And luckily, with automatic, this shifts down for you. So I'm not shifting down, you know what I'm saying? It does it for me. I could do it if I want to, but it shifts for me. So I'm like, I ain't gotta do that. But yeah, just a food for thought. Be trying to think like, do I really wanna go ahead and do that? You know, I don't know. You know what I'm saying? Like, don't get me wrong, I feel like a manual would be fun, but it definitely wouldn't be like a daily for sure. If I get a manual, it won't be no daily. Ooh. Golly, this thing pulled, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. Let's turn it down a little bit because we over here about to, you feel me? Just like that, man. A regular car. I ain't gonna lie, bro, like, it low-key be pushing me back in my seat, bro. It low-key be pushing me back in my seat. I can't even cap. This car is fun, man. If you looking to get a G37, bro, I will always suggest you getting a G37 or a G35, man. These cars are so fun. The price that you can get this car, you know, with the performance and all that, you know, you definitely won't regret buying it, for sure. And this car is in front of me, man. I was gonna do another little dig right here, man. But yeah, just like I was saying, man, like, go buy one, man. Go buy one and go experience this. Like I said, it's not the fastest car, but it's a fun car, you know what I'm saying? And it's a lot of mods that you could do with the G37, like getting it tuned, putting bolt-ons on your car, you know, exhaust, a whole bunch of stuff that you could do to make it faster, louder, whatever you want to do with the car. Also, you can slide it. For all my sliders out there, you can slide it. So much, you can have so much fun with this car. Definitely have good power, you know. NA to me it has like a lot of hidden power. I feel like it's more powerful than 330 horsepower, but you know, well, 328 for the sedans, 330 for the coupes. But man, this thing is fun to drive. I ain't gonna lie, this thing is fun to drive. All right, y'all, last dig for the day. So fun, I can never get tired of that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, go ahead and leave me a like, man. Go ahead and comment what was your favorite part of this video. Do you recommend me getting a stick? Should I daily drive it? What should I do, man? I mean, I do like it. Like I said in the first video, this kind of make me want to get a stick because you can really feel, you know, the jerking and stuff. Like, you can feel the jerking with the manual mode. That's why I like this manual mode. But I know with an actual stick, you could really, you know, really feel it. So so yeah, man, let me know in the comments below, man. Let me know in the comments below. But like I said, man, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and like, comment. If you haven't subscribed, man, go ahead and subscribe. My channel is absolutely lit, man. I'm trying to get, I don't say this enough, but I really want to get 10K subscribers by the end of the year. That would make me so happy. I'm not gonna lie. I've been doing this YouTube thing for almost 3 years. So it really make me happy by the end of the year I could get to 10,000 subscribers. So if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe right now. Also turn on post notifications because I'm frequently posting now. So you guys will always have at least 2 videos during the week. I'm gonna try to squeeze in 3, and if I could, I'll squeeze in 4. But that's always up to you guys. If you guys want me to post more, it's always up to you guys. By watching the entire video, by liking, subscribing, all of that. Also sharing the channel with your friends and let them know that, hey bro, this guy got some cool content. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.